The Pennsylvania Turnpike's maintenance department has been getting ready for this winter since the final flakes of the last snowy season fell.
All summer long, we have been getting the winter equipment ready. And the great thing about it is we put a lot of time and effort in there. We're taking things apart, we're looking at them, trying to fix the things that are broken, looking at our plow blades, changing them out if we have to, just basically greasing everything, lubricating everything, getting all those mechanical parts, the conveyor belts for the salt. We're getting our salt brimes. We're looking at our salt sheds to see if there's any damage or any holes in the roof, things like that. Starting the calcium and brine tanks up and making sure they're functioning okay, that there's no issues with the hose lines and things like that.
And with the possibility of heavy snow in the long-range forecast, crews are ready to take on what is perhaps their biggest task of the year.
I think there's a little bit of nervousness, and there's also the senior guys that are getting ready. They want to put plows. You know, I'll be honest with you, being the director of maintenance, that's the one thing I miss. I miss plowing snow. I miss getting in there. That's when you come together as a team.
With an El Nino weather pattern in the long-range forecast, that could mean higher amounts of snow this year.
This is what I tell my guys in the winter kickoff meeting too. I always prepare for the worst and expect the best, okay? Mother Nature will do what it does, and we will be there to get that snow off the highway, that's for sure. Our customers know when it snows to get to the turnpike because they know they're gonna get to their location safely, and that's the best thing about us, you know.